I'm Andre Nader, and today at DNA Autosport Australia, we'll be taking you through another TracTive Suspension and DSC Sport install. The car we have behind me is a 991.1 GT3 RS, and the suspension kit that we have for you today is a Road and Track Ace kit by TracTive Suspension. This kit is designed to plug and play with all of the car's existing systems, and this includes the damper wiring as well as the front axle lift kit. But this kit, as an added bonus, also includes front camber adjustment. As I'm sure you can tell by now, this car sees a lot of track time, so as an optional extra, we'll be installing a DSC Sport controller. This will allow us to configure each of the modes in the car, the comfort and track modes, but also allow us to tweak the damping at each corner individually to our liking. As usual, once the install is complete, the car will go through one of our full chassis setups.